This one is the Shrine drive-through tree, which is actually a sequoia tree rather than a redwood.
I don't know about this stuff.
It looks like it's very tight squeeze, but the dude said his truck made it. Here we go. We're going.
Hi.
Cash, look. We're driving through the tree.
So scary. Wow.
You're gonna go up there. Grassy butt. This is so cool. I'd say it was worth the $6. Cash, you up there? Hi, wave your hand. Cash, this is so big. It's gonna be like a clubhouse for you, huh? You like it? Now we're heading to the Chandelier Tree, which is a redwood tree. It costs $5 per car to enter the park. And it's one of the most iconic trees in Redwood National and State Forest. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
Now I want to walk through it. So cool. Here is the grandfather tree. 1,800 years old, 265 feet tall. How awesome is that? Wow, that thing is giant. Really glad we get to see the grandfather tree. This is so awesome. I feel like an Ewok's gonna come chasing after me any minute. Come walk to the end of it. The Ewoks are in there according to Cash. He sees them, you guys. Where are you? Oh my gosh, Cash, be careful. My goodness, this is so awesome. It's free. This is free, people. Get out, get in your car, and go explore the world. Doesn't cost a dime to see this amazingness. And look, we're the only ones at this particular area. We passed a couple other cars. This is free, people, come on. Oh, wow. I mean, this is better than anything. What's up, guys? What do you think about this tree, Cash? You ever seen a tree this big?
No.
Isn't it awesome?
It has some dirt on it, isn't it? Uh-huh.
This is one of those places you just have to go. You can't just say you saw a picture or a video. You gotta come here with your family and just soak it in. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave us any comments on what you thought about the video. See you in the next trip.
Oh my god.
What? You got scared?
I didn't know it was you.
You thought it was Bigfoot?
No, I just heard something behind
It was an Ewok.